Dollar index weekly time frame. This week CPI and PPI both are extremely important. If number come weak, rate cut chance will increase. Currently market pricing for 25 basis point in September. So size can increase, but all depend on CPI and PPI. But problem is, new FOMC member replaced by Trump. He is saying last year 50 basis point cut in September. That was biggest policy mistake since 2021. 1 year later, everyone explained, because when they cut last year, market start going in opposite direction. Market was doing tightening for Fed. But problem is, this FOMC member, he say conditions are different. When Fed wing 2 dovish in 2024, those conditions no longer valid in 2025. That's mean this new FOMC member appointed by Trump, he said they can repeat same to same like last year. If they repeat same to same like last year, then market will do same to same. Opposite of Fed, they will cut, they will price in for high. Let's see how they do it. Decrease size or tone change. But before CPI PPI, I can say it is too early for September FOMC meeting. Still lots of time for Jackson Hole. I think they will avoid repeating like last year. So if CPI PPI come hot, then cut can price out short term. It can delay. So these things are bullish dollar, and price will stay out this low and this resistance area near 99. It will retest again. Ultimately it will break out, but depends on CPI. If you see Euro USD daily time frame, then price breakout big static resistance 115, possible trend line. If failed again, this downside support area 110, that will be next target. But it is just a retracement. Once retracement over, price will break down. But how low Euro USD will go, how fast, depends on CPI PPI number. How hot they come compared to expectation number. GBPUSD daily time frame, head and shoulder chart pattern, all step complete, neckline breakdown, now retest happening. 1.34 big static resistance, testing again. There can be one more head and shoulder chart pattern, left shoulder, this can be right shoulder and head. Once neckline breakdown, next time they will target 1.27. But speed depends on CPI PPI this week. So either Powell do hawkish cut opposite of last year, which make dollar bullish, or they repeat 2024 dovish policy mistake, then market will do tightening for them same to same like last year. So either they do dovish cut, market pass in for hawkish policy, or Fed do hawkish. Both way, future is bullish dollar. So that's why this area 1.34 big resistance, it is retracement, it is a selling opportunity. And once this support level break down, everyone will target 1.27. USDCAD daily time frame, triple bottom, and neckline retest is happening after breakout. You can buy retest 1.37 area. Next target will be upside resistance, that's my retest of 140. But you have clear support and resistance level. A triple bottom, neckline retest, new high, retest of 140. USDCHF big static support 083. After breakdown, it is now resistance, that is first upside target, since we are bullish dollar. Bitcoin weekly time frame, everything okay, stocks are trading at all-time high. So why they need to stop QT and why they need QE? As long as these things are happening, nobody need QE. They can continue their QT. Because of that, Bitcoin is sideways near 100k area. If CPI comes strong, September cut price out short term. Hawkish Fed risk increase if market sell off due to technical relationship with the stock market, especially NASDAQ. Price can come down. It can retest first support area near 100k. Silver weekly time frame price up again, testing upper part of the range, a parallel channel upper trend line, but that is selling opportunity because price of gold will not stay above 3430. Similarly, trend line retest on silver weekly time frame, that is selling opportunity. Once it breaks down, downside support $34. For more clarity, you can see silver daily time frame. Trend line breakdown, now retest happening. After retest, target will be new lower low. And you can see no support before $36. So CPI come very strong. Fed wing hawkish in a recession. That will be very bad sign for industrial matter. So after retracement, price will break down. It will make new lower low. SP 500 daily time frame. 1 year ago we were here. Market was pricing for 75 basis point cut. Verified after Jackson Hole speech. This year timing different. Jackson Hole will come end of the month. So 25 basis point cut, which is now pricing. It will be challenged by CPI, PPI and later Jackson Hole speech. If CPI come very hot, first of all compared to last year, cut pricing lower than last time. If CPI come hot, that can also price out. So all the people expecting, many banks, hedge fund, crowd, everyone expecting repeat of 2024. Asset price will go up. I don't believe this thing will not repeat. Sideways range in SP 500 happening. So if CPI, PPI come hot, then hawkish Fed risk. First in Jackson Hole, later in September FOMC meeting, price can stay down and big downside is possible. But speed depends on CPI number compared to expectation number. Because if you see Microsoft weekly time frame, it is a vertical line. What Powell is saying, no problem with weak dollar. What new FOMC member appointed by Trump saying, conditions are different. Like last year 2024 they can do dovish cut. Basant, who is saying non-inflationary IT boom like 90s. You can have vertical line. If CPI come very hot, then Basant will have big challenge. You cannot have vertical line on Microsoft AI boom with strong inflation. Another part is, let's imagine CPI come very weak, PPI come very weak, same to same like last year because of low inflation number. Market start pricing for 75 basis point emergency cut. Then same to same condition like last year. They cut, inflation rise again. Ultimately they have to pause next year. So I think this thing will not repeat. You cannot have vertical line in tech stock. If you see dollar index weekly time frame and compare last year September FOMC meeting when they cut, for any reason NFP is fake, Trump fired BLS head. Same thing apply on CPI. CPI can be fake too. If they repeat dovish cut like September 2024, then market will do tightening for them, dollar will go up. Or they do total opposite, do hawkish cut this year. Then because of Fed, dollar will go up. Both condition, either market do tightening or Fed do tightening. Both way, dollar will go up. That is why it is high chance WXY wave complete, it is bottom. Slowly it will break out. This static horizontal resistance near 100 level.